In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to remove emojis from your iPhone keyboard. Let's get started. First, open an app where you can type like the Notes app or the Messaging app. Then, open your keyboard. Now click on the emoji icon given at the bottom left. Now head over to the custom emojis or the stickers section. Once you're over there, navigate to the emoji that you want to delete. Press and hold on it. Then, you're going to get the option of remove. Click on that and confirm it. With that, the selected emoji will be removed from your stickers section. If you want to completely remove the emoji keyboard from your iPhone, go to settings, go to general. Now head over to the option keyboards. Click on the option keyboards again. Here you will see all installed keyboards. Then swipe left on emoji and tap delete. Now go back to any typing app and you'll see the emoji button is gone. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.